Hello, this is me again for this, the final video. This is an aftermath video. Since they're gone, now I can just show you like for what they did. Now, right now is about quarter before 5 o'clock, and it's almost near like nighttime fall, yep. And still January 23rd, 2023. And I'll show you right now for what they did. If we can walk around a little bit, I'll show you inside. This looks beautiful out here. They were here since like 9 o'clock this morning. They were here about specifically 7 or 8 hours. They had a long day. Now we gotta wait for these cars to get through, and this is for what they did. This looks beautiful. Now they're gone. And they are gone. I'm going to take you what does look like inside of the place. This is what they did. Maybe going to put some like electricity in there. This looks so muddy anyway. Yep. See how far is it? They did like a pretty good job fixing it. Or building it, yep. The trucks used to be over there, now it's moved. Used to be over here, now it's moved. Watch how it's so muddy. Let's see what it looks like. Yep. This is an aftermath video. I told you I can get it for you. So I did. After they leave. And it's still kind of windy out there. It's going to be colder by then. Tonight's low might be 30. Yep, they did a lot of work today in this project. See like everything over there? Sorry about that, folks. Because he was throwing something that I'm not supposed to be doing in the first place. Couldn't go up there and show you like a little view. And they put like the trucks over there now. Yep. Now I'll show you what it just looks like as soon as we get up there. As soon as I get up there. Made it up into the top. They did a pretty good job on this project. Yep. This is pretty good. Now, they're not officially done yet. They got some few things to do. This is pretty good on this project. Yep. They're almost near the end of the line. They've been here about 21 days. Tomorrow they might be their 22nd day. They've been here for 3 weeks officially. Since the first day of January. Second day, the day after New Year's Day. That's what the production launched it for. So I hope you enjoyed this this aftermath video of the construction site from January 23rd, 2023. And now's the time to be signing off. We'll see you next time when I give you updates about the construction. Maybe tomorrow or maybe the next day. And please comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any of the previous construction videos that they've been doing for these past 3 weeks. We'll see you next time if I give you updates. And I hope you like all these other videos. So just take care. We'll see you next time. And this is your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, signing off for tonight. Good night, everybody. See you next time.